You can shop for customers without a membership. And me whammies better not be up here in your jammies.
What's up, people?
Hold on, there we go. Boom.
My favorite curbside associate.
Getting that money, right?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. You brought the order out fast. Shout out to my boy Gavin.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right, guys, let's go do some shopping. I got an order right here, $18.50 for 9.7 miles. Now, that's not something I usually take, but it's a Sam's Club pickup, shop and deliver, and then this is only gonna be like my third one that I'll be doing so far. But the reason why I accepted this one, I'm gonna show you right here. As you can see, I'm sitting at Walmart in the rain, not getting an order. Look how many items we delivering. Just one item. So when it comes to your shopping paint orders, my rule of thumb is, still try to get your 2-to-1 miles to money ratio, which this one is not paying, but at least it's only one item. And you definitely want to take advantage of orders that barely meet your parameters. And I'm gonna tell you right now, Walmart is having some system issues today, and this is the first order I got with a timer. This is my first round robin offer. So I am finna go ahead and snatch this up. If nothing else, it'll give me something to do for this next 25 minutes, 25, 30 minutes, and I'm cool with making 18 bucks for 25 minutes. Now, if this would have been like 7 to 8 items, it might have still been acceptable for somebody else, but not for me, because first and foremost, the item count has a big influence on if I'm gonna take the order or not, especially if the order is just barely giving me 2-to-1. This order is giving me a little bit less than 2-to-1 because the mileage is 9.7. So for 2-to-1 miles to money ratio, you would need straight up $19.50, or really like a just even $20 bill. Now, if this was a 3-to-1 miles to money order, meaning that it was going 9.7 miles away, but it was paying 30 bucks up front, well then now the item count has a little bit more wiggle room. It can go anywhere from 1 to maybe even 15 items, depending on the store you shopping at. If you know that store great, that's gonna dictate how long it take you to shop for those items. But yeah, if you paying me 3-to-1 miles to money ratio, even if you 10 miles away, I'll go ahead and shop 10, 15 items for you. That's because that's good money. That's a good use of my time. And when the lower you go on the miles to money ratio for your shopping orders, well, the lower the item count needs to be. So with this order right here paying me $18.50 and still needing me to drive that same 9-mile delivery distance, is actually probably about a full 10 miles, then the item count should be as low as possible. And really, it can't get no better than one item, because if it ain't one item, you ain't picking up nothing. Now, the one thing I will say about the Sam's Club shopping page, I tried to get a little bit extra information by clicking on it and seeing if I could visually see the item. Spoiler alert, you can't. I didn't see no item, so it's not really a make or break for this situation. It definitely makes it easier if you know exactly which one item you have to go grab. But either way, it's Sam's Club, one item. It's gonna be a bulky item. So we're gonna go in here, grab it real quick. Now, the thing I like about the Sam's Club is once you get done, you don't have to scan a barcode at the register, which ain't really a big deal when it comes to the Walmarts, because I just go to the register that's free. They got more registers than ever available at the Walmart, so it's never usually an issue scanning that barcode at the self-checkout. But with Sam's Club, they don't have as many registers, and it makes it better just being able to grab those items, scan them in as you pick them, as you selecting them. But when you're ready to check out, you just showing your phone to the associate that's stationed at the front, just like if you were a normal Sam's Club shopper. So we here now. Let's go ahead and get up in here. And me whammies better not be up here in your jammies. All right, so let's go ahead and confirm arrival. Tips. What kind of shopping tips you got for me? Since I know I'm just getting one item, okay. You can shop for customers without a membership. If you saw my previous Sam's Club video, they said the same thing. So basically, once you show them this, you're good to go. They don't even stop you at the door anyways, but if they did, you show this, you're good to go. Boom. Preview shopping list. So now I can see what I'm getting. Looks like I'm getting a 52-inch tower fan that costs 50 bucks, and I'm gonna make 18 bucks to deliver it. C5 section 3. We're gonna be heading to C5 section 3. Last time I was in here, it was easy to navigate where you're trying to go. You got your H section for your home goods, and you got your frozen food section. So the C section is probably gonna be somewhere close by there. So E is gonna be electronic. C is probably gonna be down there. Yeah, this is super easy. I already found it. C5. So we found C5. And now we just looking for section 3. That was easy. Look, C5 section 3, 42-inch tower fan. Let's see, they got the barcode. Bada bing, bada boom. This thing look nice. I might have to grab me one. So now that we got this, say you all done shopping, it's gonna give us an exit pass, and we just gonna show this on our way out, and that's it. So from start to finish, we picked up the order. We accepted it at 1:30, got to Sam's Club at 1:39, and we dropped it off at 1:59. So altogether, we spent about 23 minutes on this order, and I'm actually pulling back up to Walmart right now. Even though Sam's Club is like 2 parking lots over, I'm basically back to where I started, and we still got another half an hour to make some more money. So this is why I felt like this was a good offer for the miles to money ratio in conjunction with the dollar amount and the item count. You know, if you can keep everything within your parameters or slightly at your parameters, you can still make a profit. And Walmart Spark is having issues today. I can tell that the drivers are having issues getting orders. So for me to get that one, keep myself busy for a little half an hour, it's a win for me. Let me know if you gonna try out some Sam's Club orders if they're available in your market. I'm finna try to see if I can make me a little bit more money. All I got is that 18, and I want to get a few more orders. So hit that like button and that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Big dog.